Welcome to this guided meditation for achieving optimal health and weight loss. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. Take a moment to settle into a relaxed position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and begin to let go of any tension or stress you may be carrying with you. Let's begin by centering ourselves. Take a few slow, deep breaths, breathing in through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present and grounded in this moment. Shift your focus to your body. Feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you. Bring your attention to your breath as it moves in and out of your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and the gentle expansion and contraction of your belly with each breath. Now, set your intention for this meditation. Visualize yourself at your ideal state of health and weight. See yourself full of energy, vitality, and confidence. Imagine yourself engaging in physical activities with ease and joy. Feel the sense of accomplishment and pride that comes with taking care of your body. Take a moment to connect with your body. Feel the sensation of your skin, the beating of your heart, and the flow of energy within you. Send gratitude and love to your body for all that it does for you, day in and day out. Acknowledge that change is a natural part of life. Embrace the idea that you have the power to make positive changes in your health and well-being. Trust in your ability to achieve your health and weight loss goals. Now, let's go of any limiting beliefs or negative self-talk that may have held you back in your past. Replace these thoughts with positive affirmations such as, I'm capable of achieving my weight loss goal. I am capable of achieving my optimal health. And I am deserving of a healthy Visualize yourself making mindful and nourishing food choices. See yourself savoring each bite, eating with awareness and gratitude for the nourishment it provides. Trust your body's signals of hunger and fullness, and make choices that support your well-being. Imagine yourself establishing healthy habits that contribute to your overall health and weight loss journey. Whether it is regular exercise, staying hydrated, or getting enough rest, see yourself incorporating these habits into your daily life effortlessly. With each breath, imagine releasing any excess weight or unhealthy patterns from your body. Visualize yourself becoming lighter and more in tune with your body's needs. Take a moment to celebrate the progress you have already made on your health and weight loss journey. Acknowledge the effort and dedication you have put in so far and the positive changes you have experienced. As we come to the end of this meditation, bring your attention back to your breath. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself once again. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Remember that achieving optimal health and weight loss is a journey, and it is essential to be patient and kind to yourself along the way. You have the power to create positive change in your life, and with consistency and self-compassion, you can achieve your health and weight loss goals.